Yes, welcome to the Revit Guy channel, and this is a continuation from last week's video. So, funny enough, what I found out was that when I was trying to upload my system, I drained the battery. So, when I was trying to upload the video the next morning before I go to church, before I go to work, I found out that I didn't save. So, you see all this work that I did. So, I stopped saving when I just put this 3D in view. So I didn't save when I put this section, detailed it, and put all this stuff. So I had to do it again before I upload. So I was supposed to upload on Monday. That's why I couldn't upload on Monday, I think. Then I now uploaded on Tuesday. I should know it was a day late. So anyway, this is a continuation from the staircase detail of the previous class. And if you see, I put this two on one sheet. I wanted to put all these small call out details on this side. So I ended up putting this two, so I'll take the one out on that page. So I wanted the page to reach a certain extent today so that we can sort of maybe do some browser optimization. Yes. So yeah, so anyway, I finished it up, added more details, put spot height, put the riser numbers, and yeah, everything is the way it was the other day. So the second page, I've already detailed it. I just wanted to show you a little. I've seen something that I didn't add. I didn't add my ceiling, whatever. So how was your week? I'm trying to do this thing every week. So this is the first time I'm actually achieving this. So this is a lot. I had to go and watch some YouTube videos on how to what I think Revit should add in their next maybe 2025 is where you can automatically put ceiling in rooms. I think they should do that for floor too. So that when you want to do your finished floor, your tile layout, you just hover your mouse there to show you the extent it's drawing it, and if you're okay with it, or you edit like we're already doing now, because it will save a lot of time. So Revit, if you're hearing me, please do that for us. Thank you very much. Okay. Oops. Yeah, I'm trying to add some graphic styles. So anyway, let's do that. Do we need shadow? No. So we just need that. That is fine. Same thing for this guy. So if you notice that I have done some more work in another sheet, I'll just run you through what I did and the slight difference between this and the other, why you need to call it out, stuff like that. You understand? So this was the other detail I did. No. So we had this elevation. So maybe I'll change this to detail. I'll change this to detail as well. Yeah. So I had this, and I had to do the other guy too. Yeah, the section looking this way. So yes. I'm confused now. What section is this? Let's hide this. Element. Hiding view. Element. Nope. Control Z. Control Z. So this was the first section we did, and this is what I did. The one that's looking at it from the front. This video is going to be short, so obviously I put all the details. We can get how we did this from our previous class on sections. I'll put these details: the power line, the rafter, ceiling organs, and wall plates and all. Then what I did again was I labeled every part of the staircase that we labeled initially. Then dimension this, put the thread number and all this kind of stuff. Then did a dimension of the overalls and the grid. Then when we come down here to the first call out, this is just calling out the connection between the staircase and the floor. Put your levels, put your thread numbers, label your railings, label your floors. So I added floor label to this, because we're going smaller or having a closer detail. Then I labeled the tile so you can see it better here, how you have a small boom nose. Let me see, maybe we can just label one of the boom nose so you sort of have an idea of the spacing you get. So label the staircase, of course, and all that. Put the spot heights. Then this is the connection between the staircase and the floor. So normally this guy would go down and join the floor slab. I'm talking about the concrete works, or sometimes even go and sort of have a foundation on his own. And if you notice, I labeled the steps, put the spot height on the steps, and you sort of have an idea of how it works and everything. So then label the railings, the stair, the riser, and the tread as the tiles on it. Then also label the staircase. I can also label my floor too. So this just gives you like a broader overview of it. So the other thing I wanted to teach us, or wanted us to do, was to organize our browser. And to do that, first of all, the drawings are getting plenty, so you want to sort of organize it in different series. So I've worked in about 3 offices or so. They all have different different sorting or grouping. So maybe we can have our own, or we'll just follow one of them. So I like all of them. So let's see. So we'll do 100, 200 to maybe 300, 700 series. So the first thing you want to do is, if you come here, you create a browser organization. So normally I would just say for YouTube. Oops, I'm not entering anything here. So category. That's what I normally do. Or okay. So we'll leave it like this for now. Next thing I will go to is manage, and I'll go to projects, parameters. Then I'll add. So I'll add drawing series. Looking at instance data. I'll change this to text. I'll put it in identity data. Then I'll come here. I want it to affect V views and S sheets. I'll okay this. Okay. Add another parameter. I'll call this drawing face. Same thing as okay, this is fine. We put this on text, put this on identity data, sheets, and views. So I'm good on that. Then I come here to the browser organization. Okay, I thought I had created one just now. Anyway, I create that same category that I created. I don't know where it went to. And because I didn't assign it. Category. Right. I'll say filter by drawing series first, and then by drawing phase, then grouping and sorting. No, sorry, I'll filter by, no, this will be none. It's been a while since I did this. Group by drawing series, then by phase. Let me try. Then I'll assign it. Okay. Okay, good. Let me just change one more thing. So you see the way it's modeled up like this, like 3D. It's just as if they arrange it alphabetically. But you want to sort of do it such a way that 3D is to go to 3Ds, floor plans to go to floor plans, and the likes. So this edit, filter by family. Let's see what that's family first. I think it's family and type. This thing can be frustrating sometimes. Shit. Filter by family and type. Family and type. So I think you come, view, edit, grouping and sorting, put in family and type. When you do that, you have it like this. So structural, floor plans, floor plan, and all those stuff. So yes, I want to open everything, and so we'll do the same thing for sheet. That's our sheet. We'll come here, new sheet, A2 metric. That's not what I want to do. So now I want to do browser organization. New category. Drawing phase, drawing series. No, drawing series, drawing phase. Drawing series, drawing phase. Okay. Then that's not what I meant to do. Browser organization. Put it on category. Yes, so we can now say all these ones will be in drawing series, 100 series, drawing phase. Let's say we are going to construction, documentation. Hope I spelled it well. Yeah. Then this guy would be in drawing series, 200 series, no, 100 series too. 100 series. I prefer this arrangement. So let all the general arrangement drawings be on 100 series. Elevation 100, version documentation, staircase details, and all these other guys. Series 200 series. So next time when I'm creating sheets, this is how I'll be creating them, or this is how I'll be grouping them or arranging them. Staircase detail 200 series, construction documents. This 100 series construction documents. Yep, I think we've arranged all of them. Okay, I think we're good now. Oh, I've seen something I need to change. So sheet, edit, I have to flip it the other way. Drawing phase, drawing series. Okay, so yeah, construction documentation, 100 series, 200 series. So when you add sheet, you can start putting the series. We'll do 300 series, we'll put in series, we'll do 400 and the rest. Then same thing for these guys. You can now group these guys into series 100, series, phase, construction documentation. Hope I spelled it well. 100 series, construction documentation, all the elevations. Wow. Yeah, all the elevations will be on 100 series, construction documentation, section 100 series. You get the gist, right? So yeah, that's basically it for this class. This will be 200 series, and this will be construction documentation. Same thing for these guys. So all these other ones are ungrouped. Then we can start. So you see your drawings start to be organized. When somebody comes in and he sees your drawing, or they see your drawing, it becomes better. I'm supposed to flip this one too. This will be drawing phase before drawing series. Yes. So 100 series, 200 series, and it's grouped according to family and type. So thank you very much for the follow. Thank you. Spread my video, share, like, and let me know in the comment section what you think of the videos so far. So I'm being consistent. 1 week. This is the first time I'm doing one. I think the quickest I've done was 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So this is one week. So next week we'll most likely delve into all sections. Yeah, I think we'll delve into all sections. So thank you. I'll see you on the next one.